in today's video, I'm going to show you how to freeze your blueberries so you have them ready to go in the freezer for when you need them for amazing recipes. First things first, let's give these blueberries a wash. I brought these straight from the store. They were on sale, so I'm going to place them in a colander, give them a good rinse. Or you could also, if you have one of these salad spinners, you can place them in the salad spinner, fill it with water, and give them a good wash. Up next, I just take my clean blueberries and place them on a clean kitchen towel for about 10 minutes or so they have a chance to air dry. Here I have a parchment lined baking sheet, but you can also use wax paper, and I'm gonna take my clean blueberries and put them in a single layer on top. All you have to do is take that baking sheet and place it in the freezer for about an hour, up to 4 hours, or even overnight. And then when they're ready and frozen, you are gonna bring them out and they're ready to be stored. If you love quick and easy tips like this one, give this video a thumbs up. As you can see, by lining the metal tray with wax or parchment paper, my blueberries have not stuck to the metal. Handfuls at a time, I'm filling my freezer bag, and at the very end, I just pour them all in. Make sure to take out the air, give this a good fold, zip it up, and now they're ready to be stored in your freezer for up to 3 months. And just like that, you have frozen blueberries that you can use year-round in your favorite recipes. And if you need one to get started, check out this video. See you guys next time.